Alright, I wanted to show you my latest iteration of the hydrogen car. I have now replaced the injectors with just direct nozzles. So it goes straight into the port intakes through the filter and from the hydrogen bottle. And currently I'm experimenting with my electronics, which is interfacing the coil pack signals and delaying them, adding some retardation. And this is just a box that I had laying around to cover the ECU, because the ECU is a part on this car, on this engine. The ECU is the part of the intake system, and for this I have removed the whole intake system, and it's really the filter box, air box. But that's used to sit in the air box, and it's pretty much in the way of what I'm doing here, so I just removed it, put it in the box. I just don't have a better solution for now, but I could 3D print if it's gonna be something that I'm gonna want to do. I have also removed the connectors from the throttle body and opened it, so it's basically stuck open. There's no filter, I don't care about that. And it also helps if there is any issues. I'm not gonna hopefully explode anything, because there's the pressure just gonna go out through the throttle body. It's constantly open. So what I'm gonna be doing now is manually gonna be varying the amount of hydrogen going in from the cylinder directly onto the intake. So throttle body almost wide open, so it's probably gonna run in the lean regime, but should be fine. Let's give it a go. Change the retardation. Okay. Close this bottle. So that was a bit loud. I will now remove my electronics device and see what happens then. Alright, I have put now the engine back into the stock configuration with the computer having the full control of the coil packs. Let's see how it performs now. So this is an interesting result. I know there is, at least the ECU reports that there is 20 degrees TDC in these conditions. maybe that's not correct. Maybe it's something different, but whatever it is, this works almost exactly the same, and I don't see a big issue. Like, there is no that heavy diesel sound from the engine like it used to be there. At higher RPM, obviously it doesn't explode, it's just the low RPM. So at around 2000 RPM it had 0 of those bursts, which is very interesting. I think it's ready to take it for a spin. I'm just gonna sort of try to secure this, see what happens then.